How to make marshmallow slime. Because slime has gained popularity in recent years, there are so many slime products made easily available in the market. The downside of it is that many of these products are toxic and harmful to kids with certain sensitivities. So while I'd trust my school-age kids to play with almost any slime, I'm more cautious about making a toddler do the same. There's just no telling when a toddler would stick his hand inside his mouth after playing with slime. Also, you'll never know which ingredient is harmful to the skin, so it wouldn't be wise to risk your kid having rashes all over the body. However, that doesn't mean you should steer clear of slime. You can make your own slime using marshmallows and other ingredients that are safe and edible. DIY slime using marshmallow. Edible marshmallow slime that's safe for kids of all ages. Ingredients: 1 bag of marshmallows, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, ½ cup cornstarch, ½ cup icing sugar, food coloring. Instructions. Step 1: Put the marshmallows and coconut oil onto the pan and melt over medium heat. Step 2: Stir continuously until fully melted. Step 3: Pour the melted marshmallow onto the bowl and add in the dry ingredients. Step 4: Grease your hands with non-stick cooking spray or a little oil and mix the marshmallow mixture using your hands. Step 5: Sprinkle some cornstarch on a clean counter and transfer the mixture. Step 6: Knead until you get a slimy consistency. It should be stretchable but not sticky. Keep adding cornstarch and icing sugar until you get the correct texture. Step 7: Divide the slime into 2 or 3 portions depending on your preference and add some food coloring. Step 8: Knead again until the food coloring is completely incorporated into the slime. Step 9: Enjoy.